So, do you like cheese? Do you like salad?
Yes.
If so, we have got the recipe for you. We have got a cheese salad. This is one of our new favorite recipes. It is really quick to make. It is really tasty, and it's great as a party dish, as a side dish to one of your meals. This one is something to be enjoyed. So, first of all, the cheese. The cheese is important. If you can get a good quality cheddar, something like that, you'll be doing yourself a big favor. Then we've got some ripped up salad. Over here we've got red onions. They have been sliced very thinly as they're going to soak up a lot of the flavor from the dressing. The dressing itself is made from olive oil, mustard, white wine vinegar, either honey or agave syrup or maple syrup, and a bit of salt and pepper. Then we're going to throw in some parsley and gherkins as well. So, first of all, olive oil, 3 tablespoons of white wine vinegar, half a teaspoon of maple syrup, pinch of salt, pinch of pepper, half a teaspoon of mustard. Give it all a good mix. Okay, so as soon as the dressing is ready, we're going to get the red onion rings in there.
It's half a red onion.
That is half a red onion. It looks like more, but it's not. It's just very thinly sliced.
Yes.
As I said, it's important to get it sliced as thinly as possible because we want it to start soaking up the flavors from the dressing.
How long would you recommend putting it in there?
Only needs to stay in there for as long as it takes us to chop the salad, cut the cheese, and cut the gherkins.
All right. So 0 seconds.
For us. So our red onions have soaked up a lot of the dressing, and I would say we are ready to stick in the rest of the ingredients. 2 handfuls of salad.
It's like the romaine lettuce stuff.
It is 7 ounces or 200 grams of cheddar cheese, my favorite cheese.
Oh yes.
As well, about 3.5 ounces or 100 grams of pickled gherkins. We're going right in as well.
Yes.
But of course, we're not going to forget.
No, of course not. Okay, just like a bunch ripped into the salad as well.
Exactly.
Looking good already. Concentrated, Dave.
Let's give it a mix. Obviously, it's important to get that dressing covering the whole lot.
Okay.
So, we'll actually work out the onions from the bottom. Tasty cheese salad.
I'm sure. Lots of cucumber at the top.
Oh, the pickled gherkins.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, everything is nicely mixed together. The flavors should be well circulated. Let's give it a quick taste test. Try and give it everything. The cheese, the gherkin. See how it goes. Okay, so you can either eat this right away, or if you're planning to take it somewhere, then grab something like this.
Yep.
Alright, so our salad is finished. That took a maximum of 15 minutes, probably more like 10 if we're being realistic. As you can see, it looks fantastic. It definitely tastes fantastic. And in fact, the flavors will get even stronger if we don't eat it right away. So that is the recipe done. We look forward to hearing your comments. Leave one below, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.